What's up, Earthlings? It's your boy Chaztrodamus, coming at you live from the shallow end of freedom. Today we honor your nation's great tradition of blowing stuff up in the name of liberty and questionable life choices. This year's grand finale? Oh, just a little project I call the Liberty Barrel. Filled with highly unstable Mountain Blue byproduct, should make a real pretty color when it hits the upper atmosphere. Staying clear, Patriots, she's going up. With the spirit of a bald eagle and the precision of a wet possum in a washing machine. Yeah, baby, let the eagle scream! Wait, no! Well, it didn't make it to orbit, but it did reactivate my ankle moniker, so we'll call that a launch window. The Georgia State Patrol don't take too kindly to unauthorized space programs run out of trailer parks. Subscribe to find out how I get out of this mess.